All right, I'm here at the Grow to pick up Vision Pro. Let's go. Oh, look at that.
Just me, Jenna.
I don't know. You've got a great group behind you.
So everybody is getting like applauses and claps as they leave the store with their Vision Pro. So
I'm not leaving without an applause.
You will get one, and I'm filming it in VP.
Thank you. And
I have taken over the video now. Here we go.
We're getting an official clap out.
Yeah, let's do it.
Farouk, Jenna, you're a purchaser. Here we go. Okay, now let me airdrop this to you.